and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and I'm thrilled to bring you the latest updates in crypto and blockchain. We have a lot to cover today, so let's dive right into things. Our Discord community just hit 3,813 members. If you've been waiting to join, now is the perfect time to connect with our passionate tech enthusiasts and get direct access to our team. Over on social media, we showcased Concealment. This is a perfect tool for creating and sharing private file NFTs. It simplifies managing NFT ownership, a must check out for developers bogged down by complex smart contracts. This week we are spotlighting Intuition Systems. Intuition Systems operates as the world's first token-curated knowledge graph, which integrates seamlessly with both biological and artificial intelligence to streamline communication across various platforms. By leveraging advanced cryptoeconomics, Intuition ensures that data is not only shared and verified across decentralized networks, but also enhances user interactions through improved personalization and interoperability. This platform embodies the next step in digital interactions, where data is democratized and served as a communal asset rather than being monopolized by select entities. In exciting product news, we have rolled out a new feature to enhance your login experience. You can now use your Google or GitHub accounts to access our web app quickly and securely. This update is part of our ongoing effort to simplify and improve how you interact with our platform, making it easier than ever to get started with Pinata. We're so eager to hear your thoughts on this update, so please leave us a comment below and please let us know how it works out for you. Are you looking to innovate with NFTs on Solana? Building on the success of our concealment tool for Ethereum, we ventured into adapting similar functionalities for the Solana ecosystem. Our latest blog post delves into how we used Pinata's private IPFS API to create a robust system for managing private NFTs. This setup not only ensures the privacy of data, but also maintains its verifiability and accessibility, key aspects that are often challenging to balance in blockchain projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this guide provides valuable insights into leveraging IPFS technology to enhance your crypto applications. And that's it for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons down below to get more content from our team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!